I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper, and today I just wanted to tell you guys about why I don't really like the queen palms that are in our backyard and why maybe you might want to reconsider if you were wanting to plant one of them. So right now I am trimming them, and keep in mind these things are ginormous. I mean, this video I don't think does it justice on quite how long the fronds are and how high up they are in the air. And I do like doing yard work, but you get really messy when you're trimming these.
So obviously trimming is kind of a hassle, but now we get into, I don't know. I mean, all these problems are kind of like equal in my mind. These things, oh my goodness, they are hard to take off. They'll like grab on by like barely any, like this much, and trying to separate these little pieces from the tree are super difficult, and they're really hard, so they don't really break down. So I mean, they take up tons and tons of room in the trash can. Now, talking about trash cans, these things are freaking enormous, and you have to cut them up very small. Like, you have to make a whole, so starting right there, that's all one piece. So I'm gonna have to cut these up pretty darn small to fit them into our trash can. Now, if you come over here, I'll show you guys the nicest one out of all three of our queen palms. But I don't know if you can see that part hanging down right there. That is all the new growth. It used to be shooting straight up, and then of course once it got hot, once it got sunny, it all like dies back like that and looks terrible. Zena said it's break time, and you guys, she let me know that she is doing such a good job at supervising the yard work that I need to give her a bonus and reward her with some really cool Alpha Paw products. Look at this custom fleece blanket. You put your dog's face on it, and then they've got tons of backgrounds. Zena wants, under the plant category, she wants either this little palm tree number right there, or she wants the cactus, because she is a cactus girly. Zena is also dreaming about a self-portrait in her pop art fantasy. Look at how freaking cute that is. You can get a white or a black frame. But if you guys want to try out any of these products for yourself, and they literally have like a bajillion other things, use our link, and we've got a promo code down below for you guys. They have tons of stuff. Dog ramps, dog blankets, they have cat products too. All sorts of products that you and your puppers or you and your kitty could use. I think they've got some super cute products. You should definitely check them out. Again, link down below and promo code Zena. Is it time to get back to work? Yeah. Is it time to get back to work? Zena said it's time to get back to work. So that new growth that was hanging down, I got off part of it, but I couldn't get up in there and just get that out. I don't want to damage all of the actual nice looking ones, but I did want to show you what happens when the new growth gets fried at the beginning of the growing, kind of growing, I don't know if you want to call it a growing season or growing cycle of the leaf. As you can see this one right here, and it just abruptly ends right there. That is because when it first came out of the center of the top of the tree as new growth, it got fried instantly. So the end of them never, at least in my experience, they don't kind of resolve the issue. If they get fried, they just look like that until you totally cut off that branch. Now, if we go back over here and I show you this one, I'll show you why you can't do that. So now, of course, what I'm about to say I haven't done before because of fear of killing the whole tree. But as you can see, this branch looks absolutely horrible, pretty much 50% dead. This branch, same way. And you can see the new growth right here, and you can see that the new growths have already been fried at the top. So if I cut off everything that looked bad, there would be no green left on top of the tree. And I'm 99% sure that that would kill the tree. So that's probably my biggest beef with the queen palms, is because the new growth always gets fried instantly, and then no matter what, it's gonna look not very nice. They just look really rough a lot of the season. Now I've got to clean all this stuff up. So I actually think we're gonna have to end up taking this stuff to the dump. The trash was just picked up this morning, and I can't even fit all of these in here because these, you can't break them down. They're literally rock solid. So, and I still have all of the actual leaves or fronds or whatever you want to call them. But yeah, so I mean, I guess the gist of this video is just that queen palms, they just never look like they're at their peak. They always look like they're really struggling, just barely holding on. And I mean, we've been in this house for
in between 5 and 6 years now, I think, and these were already here when we moved in.
And they've looked like this constantly. You know, I've tried fertilizer, I've done no fertilizer, I've tried all sorts of different amounts of water, different times of water, and nothing has been able to make these look really, really nice. So yeah, I mean, ultimately you're the boss in your yard, so if you want them, plant them. But at the end of the day, I would not plant, like I would not have chosen. Maybe when I first moved here, these are very popular, maybe I would have chosen them, but at this point in my life, I would not choose to plant a queen palm. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time me and Xena upload a new video. And Xena just wanted to let all of her little puppy viewers know that they need to keep their humans in line and that they need to strike and demand stuff and higher payment for being supervisors for their humans. So yeah, me and Xena are going to watch some YouTube videos and shop on Alpha Paw. So get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Say bye.